ora e te whānau, we're here with Dallas Hawe, the man behind the carving of our own school hall. What brings you to our kura today?
I've come today to explain the artwork that's been put onto the school hall, which talks about my tupuna, rotohiko haupapa.
Can you tell us a bit about the inspiration behind the carving?
Because I descend from this ancestor, I was asked to be a part of renewing the art, and so this was inspired by all of the things that he did when he was alive.
How long have you been carving for, and what made you choose this path?
I've been carving for 5 years now. Yep, 5 years. But I've always loved Māori art, and I grew up in Ohinimitu, so there were lots of carvings around me all the time. So I really liked that.
Cool. Do you have any advice for any rangatahi that might want to pursue this career?
My only advice is to do it because it's really, really fun. But even if it's not carving, whatever you enjoy, if you can make a job out of it, it's the best thing in the world.
Okay. Kia ora, Dallas. Thank you for taking the time to answer some questions for us today.